Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a clothing haul of Target's new clothing line called Wild Fable. I think that's what it's called. Oh my gosh, let me just say, this line is like one of my favorite clothing lines they've ever brought into Target. It's like kind of like a PacSun vibe, but like obviously super affordable. So yeah, this shirt is like, it's like a high-low type thing like that, and then it's longer in the back. You can kind of not see it, but you know, we're working on a new setup. But yeah, this shirt I think was like $22 and it's super cute. The next thing I got was this denim jacket, and it's like patched and stuff, and it's super cute. Here's the back. Yeah, and this was $30, so you can imagine if this was at PacSun, it'd literally probably be like $60. Some of these items I have like a video of me trying them on and stuff, so you get to see what they look like, but this I don't have like a picture of it on or anything, just because I need to find like the right outfit to make it look cute and stuff. But yeah, that was like, I loved that item a lot. Second thing I got was this belt. I feel like these belts are like really coming back in. This belt was $13 and it's super cute. I can't wait to wear it and, you know, make it cute and stuff. The third thing I got was these army pants. Hold on. Okay, this hanger is just like not working. Okay, so they look like this, and they're kind of like cuffed at the ankle, and they have a little pocket. They're like cargo pants, I guess, but like a different material. I don't know. I'll insert a video of me like trying this on with a few other shirts that I tried on but didn't get. Anyways, yeah, I really love this collection. It's so cute, and it's really affordable, and it's a cool way to, like, you know, look cute on a budget. So they also had a lot of other cool belts. They had like fanny packs, and they had like cool backpacks, but I loved their jewelry too. I didn't get any, but they had this really cute like layered necklace, because I know those are super in right now. It was gold, and it was like a 3-layer, and it had like a big, like, I don't know, you know what I'm saying if you know like the necklaces that are in right now, I guess. But yeah, it was super affordable, super cute. I've always loved Target clothing, but this is like one of my favorite lines they've brought into Target. So yeah, that was just a quick little haul that I did, and I just wanted to say that I literally love the new line. Everyone needs to go check it out, like, I'm being serious. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm probably going to post more clothing hauls, because I've picked up a lot of cool things recently, especially at Nordstrom Rack. I love that place. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!